The UN Human Rights Committee has called on Pakistan to overhaul its use of military courts, urging the government to revoke their jurisdiction over civilians and halt death penalty sentences issued by these courts. The committee's findings, released after review in Geneva, also recommended bail for civilians currently detained under military court rulings. Concerns were raised over high conviction rates under the Pakistan Army Act, with the UN urging compliance with international fair trial standards. The committee also criticized the lack of broad consultation on the 26th Amendment, highlighting issues with judicial independence and reports of harassment against judges and prosecutors. The UN panel recommended stronger data protection laws, citing broad powers under the Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act that allow authorities to access personal data without sufficient oversight. The committee urged action against enforced disappearances and called for protection of journalists and human rights defenders, advising against internet shutdowns and social media bans that limit free expression. Despite concerns, the committee acknowledged Pakistan's recent legal reforms, including gender rights measures, protections for journalists, and climate adaptation policies, as well as the extension of Afghan refugee registration until 2025.